for Minecraft 1.2.5 on Mac. Okay, so I'll give this link in the description. It's Minecraft download, and this is Too Many Items page. And
it's really cool.
Go to here, download, take you to AdFly.
I'm gonna watch this video, yeah.
Sorry, Lucas is on the other thing. Don't listen to him. Okay, wait the 5 seconds for it to download. Skip ad, and it should download here. Okay, just go show in Finder, grab it and drag it to your desktop. Oh,
Hey
Lucas,
okay, once you've done that,
what'd you do to my mouse, faggot?
Too Many Items. Once you've done that, go to Finder, Library, or first go to your user, Library, Application Support, Minecraft, Bin,
Oh, Toby, you're really gonna understand that. Why don't you do a quick one?
Minecraft.jar, and right click this and open with the unarchiver or archive utility or whatever unarchiver thing you have, or you can just rename it .zip. So once you've done that, and it'll extract it, there'll be a new folder here. So rename this anything besides Minecraft.jar. So just gonna call it anything, and rename this folder Minecraft.jar and add. Okay, now go to your Too Many Items folder, and you can just edit, select all, copy. You can do that, or you can just drag. Go to Minecraft.jar and paste items and replace. Okay, so that is it for the installation of the mod.
What'd you say?
I would like that.
So I'll show you the mod.
My hand.
Yeah. Toby, you're cool.
Okay, here it is. I'm in Minecraft, and when you open your inventory, all that should come up. Okay, so
It came up for me.
when you can you can get anything you want in the normal game. You can change your game mode
Anything.
up here, creative mode, on or off. So we're in survival now. On snow. Set time to noon,
Jake's the
sunset,
biggest
midnight, and change the difficulty.
grief.
Okay.
Jack's the biggest griefer. He went and griefed me diamond blocks on the call.
And you can save your inventories.
Okay,
What you
don't
want.
listen to me, I'm all good.
Save 2. Just click on anything you want. Now go save 3.
How do you get the diamonds out
Click on what you want. And look, it saves your inventory, so you can get whatever you want.
You may sound like a noob in front of the whole of YouTube, but when you
Okay.
make a diamond block, you get diamonds, don't you?
Yeah.
Alright.
So that is all the mod. That's what the mod is. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment any mods you want to get or anything you'd like to know.
Like,
Thanks.
subscribe, comment, review.